Oh, the things you can find underwater. Looks like we've got lost cargo. Let's take it up to the surface. Ah, fresh air. We can analyze it at home. Won't need these goggles for a while. Please keep an eye on them, Cookie. It's an electric pair of wings. We just need to add another wing. And make sure everything's plugged in. Let's take them out for a spin. It's a nice breeze, for starters. And they really light up the night. Ah, don't worry, Cookie. We didn't forget you. Just start with an old metal hanger. And unwind the coil at the top. Now we'll need to bend it into shape. Something like a B shape. Now, we'll need to hook up some batteries. Take this wire and wind it around the shape. Now we're going to need 2 of these wings. Ready for your maiden voyage, Cookie? But first, let's turn on the lights. Now you're our own little firefly. Okay, what's next? Oh, this device hooks up to your phone. Let's hook it up. Well, the video works. Oh, it looks like a smart ear cleaner. Just need to turn on the light. And give my ears a quick checkup. I wonder if I could see my brain. Where else could this fit? I didn't expect this much fuzz. Don't be shy, Cookie. You're next. This'll give us a closer look inside your fur. Ugh, someone needs a flea dip. What's next? A smoke bubble gun? I wonder what it does. Well, first, let's get some batteries. Time to press that button. But now we're gonna need some soap solution. Give the device a quick dip. Wow, now that's a bubble. Now I'm gonna make a quick switch and try out the smoke tank. Press the button and we've got smoke-filled bubbles. Oh, smoking! Let's make a bunch. And if they pop, we can always make more. Maybe I should open a window. But first, let's see how long we can make it last. Sorry, Cookie. Hey, who's up for a little catch? Next, a foot? Oh, a sock. a magnetic sock. Maybe I should try it on. Oh, I see. They always hold hands. It's cute, but I want to go for a walk. You just can't break up a set. I guess everyone's got magnetic socks these days. And this teddy's got some familiar-looking arms. Let's take out some of this stuffing and add some magnets instead. Roll them inside and try them out. Now, every sock can be magnetic. Aw, it's like a little family. Ooh, they're just cookie size. Okay, Cookie, gimme paw. Good boy. A tattoo printer? Well, let's roll it on. Not bad. It washes off, right? Okay, when it comes to any printer, you better have ink cartridges handy. Of course, a battery doesn't hurt either. Now let's turn it on. And get your skin ready with a little primer. So, Cookie, got any requests? Just connect to the printer with your phone. Now, pick a design you like. I'll just let it load and press this button. Ah, Corgis. Now that's fancy. A rose. Always a classic. Let's test these tattoos out. Let's see. Smudge proof? Now try water. Well, these tats are still standing. Guess I won't need this tattoo sleeve. Which gives me an idea. Now Cookie can join in on the fun. It's a tight squeeze, but he makes it work. I'm kind of surprised this box fit. Ooh, creepy crawlies are coming out tonight. Careful where you step, Cookie. Actually, they're kind of cute. Soft too, and really stretchy. And just watch them scale the wall. I wonder if we should race these little guys. It's plenty fun just to watch them. And the best part, they make Cookie feel like a giant. Come on, Cookie, it's time for some arts and crafts. Who needs a paintbrush when you've got paws? Let's fill up that canvas. But for those of us without paws, a smart pen can come in handy. I just need to make sure it's got a secure connection. Now grab my notebook. Whatever I draw also pops up on my phone. To every last detail. Now you don't need to scan your drawings. Anyone up for a little tic-tac-toe? Okay, Cookie, pick a square. And I'll fill it in for you. Oh, one maneuver after another. Things are really getting neck and neck. And Cookie, you are the winner. I never had a chance. Ooh, this one's on a roll. It's a smoothie bottle. Press the button for a quick blend. And it comes with a magnetic charger. I just need to hook it up. And let the magnet do its thing. But I kind of want to see what makes it tick. And I could go for a smoothie too. Just need some nice fresh fruit. And some cream wouldn't hurt either. Let's fill it to the brim and get blending. Also works great for water with a hint of citrus. Or grape. Or whatever fruit you like. Looks like the smoothie's ready. Now it's time for the big taste test. Want a taste, Cookie? Well, that's okay. More for me.
I think your phone needs a tissue, or maybe a full body wash. Some ointment and a new bikini can make a world of difference. Think we'll get boot-shaped sand doing this? Guess not. This should help us make some cool shapes. You just can't go wrong with ducks. Let's make our own little flock. Let's see. I'll call that one Donald and that one Daisy. Look at all this trash. Doesn't anyone give a hoot anymore? Don't worry, these pants will save the day. We can store all this garbage in our secret compartment. Now we can repurpose them all for various crafts. Or just throw them away in the right trash receptacle. Enjoy your trip. Wow, he really makes an impression. In fact, it's so nice, let's save it for posterity. Let it dry. Well, I think it's got character. Probably should get the sand out of its nose. Add some clothes, and we've got the perfect buddy to watch our stuff. Think we'll find any buried treasure? Well, there's something down there. And this tool will help us really get digging. Wow, a phone! Does it have any bars? An iron! Just think of all the grilled cheese we can make. A rainbow Huggy Wuggy! Now that's what I call treasure. Looks like the tide's coming in. Say goodbye to those flip-flops. They belong to the sea now. Don't worry, we can make new ones. This balloon even gets your right size. Not only is it a custom fit, we can give it a custom design too. Now show off your brand new slippers. Just be careful around the water. When nature calls in the great outdoors. Guess we'll have to dig ourselves a bathroom. We'll need to keep it sturdy, and we don't want to leave it there. I wonder what he's going to use for TP. Let's keep that lid on tight, shall we? Oh, look at all these balloons! And they're inflating and falling all at once! Well, it popped, but there's plenty more where that came from. What are you waiting for? Time to get popping! When it rains, it pours around here. If only that were rain. Let's make some protection from the elements. Carve out a watermelon shell. Make holes for your eyes and nose. And you've made a helmet. Why not make one for your furry friend? And this is why you should always remember to add sunblock. Some moisturizer can go a long way, too. Maybe this roller can help smooth things over. It'll take care of all that dead skin without having to buy special fish. A good idea is always worth sharing. Nothing like chocolate at the beach. Or anywhere, really. Come on, it's chocolate. Wow, he's like a turtle on his back. Sand's malleable, so we can make some room. Add a towel to keep things comfortable. What's the bigger concern? The sunburn or the octopus? Look at all those colors. Let's share it with the world. Place them all inside a bag and then close it up tight. Don't just poke it. We really want to squish them. We'll need the heavy stuff. Bring out the mallet. Now you can beat the heat. See, we came back to the sunburn. Oh, there's gotta be a less messy way of eating watermelon. And now there is. This utensil not only helps cube the melon for you, you can use the fork to eat it too. Or you can save the cubes for later, for stacking.
Ouch!
Oh no! Your poor phone! Where's a bag of rice when you need it? Better yet, get out some waterproof cards. Lay them out into the water. See, they're perfectly fine when wet.
Wow.
Now take some tape and align them together. It's like a little pool floaty for your phone or your sandwich. You can never be too careful on a hot day.
Ew.
I'd say be careful, but free sunscreen's free sunscreen. Here's a way to practice your drawing skills. Let it settle for a little while.
Wow.
And you've got a twist on temp tattoos. Just make sure you'll tan, not burn. No wonder some people are really into shoes. Next time, try these invisible beach shoes. Just peel it off and add to your sole. They'll protect you while keeping your feet free. Never fear blocks again, but some things need something a little sturdier. Is it too bright outside? Before considering living underground, try this. Take a plastic knife and add some heat. Bend it into place and add another knife. You'll have a nifty pair of sunglasses. So, did the butler do it? Probably shouldn't have skipped that pedicure. Don't worry, Mother Nature will provide. These quail eggs won't just hide your dirty nails. They'll help make them look brand new. Let's return the favor and give the quails some eggs back. Each credible stuff. Catch you next time.